When you're ready to transform your home in Clinton Township, finding the right remodeling contractor is the most important step toward success. Whether you're planning a kitchen renovation, bathroom upgrade, or full home remodel, your contractor will determine the quality, timeline, and overall experience of your project. Choosing wisely can save you stress, money, and ensure your dream home becomes a reality. Here's how to make the best decision. Start with research and referrals. Begin by gathering recommendations from trusted sources. Ask family, friends, or neighbors in Clinton Township who have recently remodeled their homes. Personal referrals are often the most reliable way to find contractors who deliver on promises. You can also check local listings, online reviews, and social media groups for homeowner experiences. When researching, look for contractors who specialize in the type of project you need. For example, some focus on kitchen makeovers, while others handle structural renovations or additions. Choosing a contractor with expertise in your specific area ensures better craftsmanship and efficiency. Verify credentials and licensing. In Michigan, contractors are required to hold proper licenses for residential building work. Before hiring anyone, verify their credentials through the Michigan Department of Licensing and Regulatory Affairs, LARA. A licensed contractor not only meets state standards but also follows safety regulations and building codes. Ask for proof of insurance as well. A legitimate contractor should carry both liability and workers' compensation insurance. This protects you from financial responsibility in case of on-site accidents or property damage during your remodel. Review portfolios and past projects. A reputable contractor should proudly showcase their past work. Request a portfolio of completed projects or check their website and social media pages. Look for examples that align with your design vision, whether it's modern, rustic, or classic. Pay attention to the details, finishes, and overall workmanship. If possible, visit a current job site to observe how the team operates. This gives you a real sense of their professionalism, cleanliness, and organization. You can also ask past clients about their experience with timelines, communication, and project outcomes. Get multiple quotes and compare. It's wise to get at least 3 written estimates from different contractors in Clinton Township. This helps you understand the fair market price for your project. Be cautious of quotes that seem unusually low. They could signal hidden costs or inferior materials. When comparing bids, look beyond the price. Review each proposal for scope of work, material quality, labor details, and project timeline. A transparent contractor will provide a detailed breakdown and explain every line item. This clarity helps you make an informed choice and avoid costly surprises later. Evaluate communication and professionalism. A successful remodeling project depends heavily on good communication. From your first meeting, pay attention to how responsive and transparent the contractor is. Do they listen to your needs, offer creative ideas, and answer questions clearly? Reliable communication fosters trust and ensures your vision is understood. Professionalism also matters. Notice if the contractor arrives on time, provides written documents promptly, and maintains a respectful attitude. These traits often reflect their work ethic and commitment to customer satisfaction. Check references and reviews before making your final decision. Ask for at least 3 references from recent clients. Reach out to these homeowners and ask about their overall experience, including project quality, timelines, and any challenges faced. Online reviews on Google, Yelp, and the Better Business Bureau can also give valuable insight into a contractor's reputation. Consistent positive feedback and a strong track record in Clinton Township are strong indicators of reliability and quality service. Finalize with a clear contract. Once you've chosen your contractor, insist on a detailed written contract. It should outline the project scope, payment schedule, deadlines, materials used, and warranty terms. Review everything carefully before signing. A thorough contract protects both you and the contractor, ensuring expectations are clear from start to finish. Conclusion: choosing the right contractor for home remodeling in Clinton Township is about balancing trust, transparency, and expertise. By doing your research, verifying credentials, comparing quotes, and prioritizing communication, you can confidently select a professional who will bring your vision to life. With the right partner, your home renovation will not only enhance your property's value but also create a space you'll love for years to come.